Hi all, welcome back to yet another session. So today let's try to learn English through a story. So first of all, I would like to share a story with you, and the story has a moral, it has a positive message, and through this message you will get a kind of confidence in learning English. So I'll share the story first, then I'll tell you how you can use this in your journey of learning English. So it's a story of a man, and he did not have much hair. It means he was almost bald, and one day he decided to go to barber shop. And when he reached the barber shop, he saw that barber, and that barber was very busy with his works. He was cutting hair, shaving, and doing all his daily chores. Then when this barber noticed this man who was almost bald, he just started to tease him. He asked this barber asked this man, shall I cut this or count this? ഞാൻ ഈ മുടി എണ്ണുവാണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കട്ട് ചെയ്യാണോ വേണ്ടേ എന്ന് ബാബർമാൻ അയാളെ കളിയാക്കി. That barber teased him. And when this man heard this, he didn't react in an angry way. ദേഷ്യമൊന്നും വന്നില്ല. He just smiled, and with that same smile, he told that barber, I just want to color my hair. എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ മുടി കളർ ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. And that is the situation actually. It's not a big story, just an incident happened somewhere, and I don't know whether it is real or not. So the thing is that from this incident we can try to understand a lot of things. The first thing is we can just analyze the attitude of this barber. When we see a person who has some difficulties or some problems, like it's not a problem, and that is that we consider it as a problem because our perception is wrong. So when we see a person with difficulties, normally there are people like that barber who have the tendency to tease them. Okay, and if one person is almost bald, if he did not have or if he doesn't have that much hair, it is his own problem. Like that doesn't worry others. That's not a matter to others. But there are people like barber who try to tease others for their difficulties. Okay, if they don't have enough things, these kind of people have the tendency to tease them, right? That is one attitude. And actually you also, what you can see is, when you see a person with difficulties, don't tease them, right? We know that because that is their situation, and we don't know how much they are worried about that particular problem or that particular difficulty, and they also sometimes they also will be sad about that, and when they tease also, it will be moving on to a dangerous way. That is one thing. And next we can analyze the attitude of this man who was almost bald, and he smiled when that barber teased, right? And maybe we also get teased by people around us for different things. Okay, maybe about our physical appearance, maybe about our language, education, for everything, or financial background. For everything, we also will be teased by others sometimes. So that if we were in the situation of this particular man, sometimes when someone teases us, we would also react maybe in an angry way. We also tease them back. So we have that tendency. But what is the attitude of this man? Actually, he didn't get angry. He just smiled and gave the reply. His purpose was to color his hair. If we follow this attitude, like when someone teases us, if we tease back, we have no difference, right? We also will be the same like that man. But we can just smile, and when others tease, we should not take it in our mind. We can feel happiness in that. Like means whatever we have to be happy. That is the final message in this incident. This man was almost bald. Okay, that he didn't have that much hair, but he had a little hair, so he wanted to color it. Okay, so what does it mean is, even though he had little hair, he just wanted to keep it beautiful. So like that in our life also we have little things. Okay, maybe we will be poor, we won't have enough money, or we won't have enough beauty like that, but we have a little thing of something. So what you can do is you can try to mold it. Okay, if we have a little thing, we can just try to develop it. Okay, So we can relate this to our the learning of English. Everyone has one's own language, but it won't be perfect. But we know many words in English. We know how to ask some questions, but we won't be perfect in every way. Like sometimes we won't have enough fluency to communicate in English or talk for a long time and all. Then what you can do is, like that man wanted to color his little hair and to make it beautiful, we also should try to develop our language English. Like we have a little knowledge, or sometimes we know many things, but that is not the end. We can keep on trying to develop our language by learning something, by practicing and all. And not only in English, in our life also we can just follow this. If we have a little thing, we'll think, oh, actually I have only this much, so there is no need to do that. Don't think that way. If we have a little of anything, just try to develop it or improve it, then you will have success in your life. Then one thing is that never ever tease anyone who has difficulties. Don't tease, because we don't know how much they will be hurt. Then if someone teases us for our difficulties or our deformities, don't be sad. Just consider it as their attitude. Everyone has weaknesses, right? No one is perfect in this world, and everyone has, if they have one strength, there will be one weakness. So that is the common nature to people. So that's all about my today's video. I think it will be useful for you to, in your further journey of learning English, just apply that. And don't be sad that you can't speak English, or I can't use any word while speaking, I don't know the right pronunciation. Don't be sad. Everything will be okay when we practice. So that's all about my today's video. Bye.